Okay, so this is the cross trainer. We're giving this on cardio. Now the first thing we want to do when you jump on, see these steps, are they going to move? So the stationary handles here, that's what I need you to hold on to when you get on, just so they don't end up moving and you falling off. All right, so hold these on when you get on to start with. They're stationary, they ain't going to move. You'll see a lot of people in the gym, they're holding on, they just hold on to this and they get their feet working. You're missing half the workout. Get the upper body going at the same time. Once you get going, you can hit go. Some of the gyms, by the way, before we start, some of the gyms, these are motorized. So if you press go and nothing happens, it means you've got to get going on them first, charge them up, then you can hit go. So if we're starting, up, come forwards, come back, 1. All right, it's gonna get motorized. It's gonna come on. I can hit go. There's the buzz. From here, as I'm saying, so from here, you just use your hands and your feet. So don't be lazy, just using your hands. Don't be lazy, you're missing half the workout. From here, you can change the speed, work on distance, you can even change the intensity or even go for intervals, okay? Keep your chest up tall and sit into your knees and we'll push. For this one, I program you, you'll be going for time or calories. Pay attention to which one, you'll see it pop up.